Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a BMW 1 Series key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready. These are the only tools you'll need for this quick process. We'll begin by identifying the small release button on your key fob, which is crucial for opening the casing. This guide makes the battery replacement straightforward, helping you get your key working perfectly again in just a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Press the small release button on the side of your key to extend the emergency key blade. Once the blade is out, you'll notice a small slot where the blade was housed. Insert the tip of the emergency key into this slot and gently twist it. This action will help to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery clearly visible. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. To finish, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should now have full functionality restored. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.